If you are a homeowner in Walnut Creek, California, or planning to become one, I'm going to be sharing an update on the latest real estate market trends from November 2023. Make sure to stick around to the end of this video so that you can take advantage of some valuable insights to help guide your decision making, whether you're thinking about buying or selling. Alright, overall, from a high-level perspective, in November, there were 0.91 months of supply available for single-family homes and 1.57 for condos and townhomes, which is unchanged from last month. So still pretty low inventory of homes available for sale compared to the number of buyers on the market. As a refresher, 4 to 6 months of inventory indicates a more balanced market. Less than 4 months means there is not a lot of inventory available, which can drive prices up, and more than 6 months of supply means there is lots of properties available for buyers to choose from, and this can drive prices down. So how are these numbers trending versus last month and last year? Well, for single-family homes, it's down by 30% from last month and down by 2% from last time this year. As for condos and townhomes, this number is unchanged from last month and up by 57% from this time last year. Now let's look at the median sold price, which provides a snapshot of the current market value and can help both buyers and sellers understand the price range they can expect. The median sold price for a single-family home in November in Walnut Creek was $1.5 million. That price is down by 0.75% versus last month, but up by 0.4% this time last year. As for condos and townhomes, the median price is $582,000, which is down by 4% versus last month and up by 8% compared to this time last year. Okay, moving along. In November, we had 29 single-family homes sold, which is 7% fewer than last month, and 50 condos and townhomes sold, which is 23% fewer than last month. The average list sold to price ratio for single-family homes was 100.2%. That simply means that properties were selling slightly more than the list price. Compared to last month, this number is down by 1.7%, but up by 1.6% this time last year. As for condos and townhomes, the average list to sold price ratio was also 100.2%. That's down by 3% last month and up by 1% this time last year. This tells us that even though the market may be slower these days with the holidays and all, there is still demand and buyers are willing to pay just a little extra to secure a property. Now let's talk about days on the market. Today's market is unusual, so it's not surprising to see days on the market ranging from 1 day to 200 days. But on average in November in Walnut Creek, it was taking 13 days for single-family homes to sell compared to 11 days last month, and this time last year it was taking 14 days to sell. As for condos and townhomes, the average days on the market was 16 days versus 12 days last month and 14 days this time last year. Keep in mind that days on the market will vary on the property condition, list price, location, timing, interest rate, and other factors. Okay, if you're thinking about buying real estate in the near future, at the time of this recording, mortgage rates are ranging between 5.5 and 6.5%, depending if you're going fixed or variable and whether you're getting financing through a bank or an alternative lender. I feel like these days mortgage rates change constantly, so it's a good idea to check in with your lender. So in summary, looking at November market statistics, low inventory and the high list to sold price ratio suggests a market with strong demand and competition among buyers. The low median days on the market suggests the homes are selling relatively quickly, while the high median sold price indicates a market catering to higher end properties. So the bottom line is, whether you're buying or selling, your situation is unique and a general market update should be taken with a grain of salt. If you want an accurate market analysis for your home, or if you're thinking of buying, you can either request a free no obligation market evaluation or book a call with me to have a conversation about your options. If that would be helpful, you can find my contact information in the description below. Otherwise, feel free to check out my other videos, and I'll be back next month with an updated report.